If you want smoother control in games and better precision while using LDPlayer, setting up keyboard mapping is very important. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up keyboard mapping in LDPlayer step by step in 2026. First, open LDPlayer on your Windows PC and launch the game or app where you want to use keyboard controls. Next, look at the right side toolbar and click on the *** keyboard mapping *** or keymap ** icon. This opens the control editor. Now you will see a layout editor on the screen. Different control options like tap, joystick, and swipe will be available depending on the game. To assign a key, drag the control icon onto the area of the screen where you want it to work. For example, place a movement joystick on the left side of the screen. After placing it, click on the control and press the keyboard key you want to assign, such as W, A, S, D for movement, or space for jumping. Next, customize other actions like shooting, aiming, or interacting by assigning different keys to different on-screen buttons. You can also adjust sensitivity and positioning to make controls more comfortable and responsive for your gameplay style. Once you are done, click *save ** to apply your keyboard mapping settings. Now test the controls in your game to make sure everything is working smoothly. If something feels off, go back and adjust the key positions. You can also create different keymap profiles for different games and switch between them anytime from the keyboard mapping menu. Finally, remember to update LDPlayer regularly for better compatibility with new games and improved control features. And that's how to set up keyboard mapping in LDPlayer. Yeah, once configured properly, gaming on LDPlayer feels much more natural and responsive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.